My name is Yuri Espino. I'm from Eugene. I'm a journalism major, third year, with a minor in Spanish. I've been working here at the MakerSpace since my spring term of my freshman year. I train people on how to use or laser cutter or CNC machine, and also we do 3D prints. So I've been sewing since I was 16. I learned how to sew in a middle school class. It's also come from my grandma, who did a lot of sewing when I was growing up. Teaching people how to use the resource, it's been great and amazing. It's my favorite thing in here. I love sewing because it connects me in a way with my grandma. Sewing brings me back to being with her when I would spend my summers with her. I can just go sew for hours without noticing how the time just goes and passes. I am very grateful and thankful for all the things that you are doing for this, for the libraries and for everything. Thank you so much for all your support. Go Ducks.